Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh. This is second part for the term and exam preparation for grade 8. I am sure you have learned something from part 1. If you have missed that part 1 because of any reason before watching this video, please go to that part and see completely part 1 and try to understand because this video is in continuation of that. Okay, so let's start the lesson. I am sure you will learn something from this lesson also. What we are going to do here, which pair of triangle represents a reflection in y-axis? I am sure you have an idea for this. If you have any confusion with the translation, transformation, reflection, rotation, dilation, okay, so I made different videos for that. Okay, so try to see that video and understand the topic in detail. Now reflection means, in the simple language you understand, it means image. Image means, if you, this is the mirror, okay, this is the mirror, and if you stand here, then what you will see, your image will be formed here, yes or no? If this is the mirror and you stand here, so this image will be formed here, and this distance will be same from the mirror. Okay, same concept of science we are going to apply here also. Nothing to memorize, nothing to memorize here. Okay, just understand only, and you will see how easy this topic is going to be. Now let's see what they are saying in the question. Which pair of the triangle represents the reflection in y-axis? So this y-axis will be taken as the mirror. So you can understand easily that if you are standing on y-axis, means any side of the y-axis, maybe this side or maybe this side, then your image will not go down. It will be in your front. Okay. For example, B cannot be the reflection of A as we are talking about y-axis. Okay. So maybe A with C, maybe, or maybe B with D only. Okay, so let's try to remove the options. They are saying C and D. This is not possible. Why? Because C and D are on the same side of y-axis, so they cannot be the reflection of each other. A and B, not possible. Why? Because A and B are on the same side of y-axis, so they cannot be reflection of each other. So let's talk about A and C and B. A and C and B and D, because if it has to be, then A can be or C can be reflection of A, or D can be reflection of B. Okay, now this is very easy for you to judge. Let's see, what if I want to say, or if I want to write coordinate of any point, write coordinate of any point in the triangle. I am taking this one. So coordinate of this point will be -2 for the value of x and 2 for the value of y. And if this point reflection you will see in the y-axis, then it will be 0.2 for x and 0.2 for y. Okay, it seems to be okay. Now let's check for another point. Coordinate of this point will be -3 for x and 5 for y. So is it going to be 3, 5? 3 for x and then 5 for y. This also seems to be okay. For the last one, coordinate value of x is -5 and value of y is 3. I'm sure you know how to check the coordinate. Okay, I'm just checking. I'm not doing anything special. I'm just checking the value of x first and then the value of y. Okay, now same for here. You see what's the point? Value of x is 5 and then value of y is 3. Okay, so it seems to be the reflection of A and C. Okay, now we know that this option is correct, but let's check for C and B also. Oh, C and B is not possible. Why? Because they are not opposite to each other. They are diagonal to each other. Yes. So this option is also cancelled. Okay. Now, next is triangle LMN has a coordinate 2, 1, 3, 1, 1, 6. The triangle is reflected across x-axis. Now what you will do here, just draw x-axis. Students, if this type of question you will make the picture, then 100% question will be correct every time. So this is x. Okay, this is your x-axis, this is the mirror. So one point I am taking as 2, 1. For example, it is not accurate to the scale. Okay, if you take 2, 1 here and x-axis is the mirror, so where your image will go? Your image will come here. So it will be, value of x will be same, but value of y will be negative, because below x-axis value of y is negative. So whatever you have on x-axis, you see reflection in x-axis, formula will be value of x will remain same, just value of y will be changed. Okay, and here I will write the another formula. This is for the x-axis. Okay, reflection in x-axis. So value of x will remain same and value of y will be changed with the another sign. Now, so you see this should be 2 minus 1. Where is the option 2 minus 1? Only this last one. You see, just this option is 2 minus 1. Let's check for others. 3, 1. So its reflection in x-axis should be 3 minus 1 because value of x will be same, value of y will be changed to negative. Then 1, 6. It should be 1 minus 6. So you can see D is the correct option. Okay. Now for y-axis, what should be the formula then for y-axis if it is a mirror? Then for y-axis, it will be x, y reflection will be minus x and y. This time value of y will be same and value of x will be changed to the negative sign. Okay. Now, so here they say 0, negative 3. So its reflection will be 0, positive 3. We are talking about y-axis. Okay. Remember this thing. Its reflection will be value of y will be same. Sorry, value of y will be same and value of x will be changed. So it will be 2 and negative 4. Here value of x will be changed with positive 1 and value of y will be same. So 0 minus 3. Do we have 0 minus 3? Yes, at 2 places. Do we have 2 minus 4 in the any one of the options? Yes, here it is say minus 2, 4. So this option is not possible. This is the correct one. Okay. Now next is the triangle JKL has the vertices. These are the corner points of the triangle. The triangle is rotated. Now this is the question of rotation for the clockwise direction about the origin. Now my dear students, you will remember one thing here. Okay. For rotation, I am just writing the formula first so that it can be clear to you. Rotation about clockwise because they are saying clockwise. So first I'll write for the clockwise. Okay. If you rotate with 90 degree, then xy will change to y minus x. If you rotate with 180 degree, then xy will change to minus x minus y. And if you rotate to 270 degree, then xy will change to minus yx. Okay. Now, how you will remember? I'll tell you the method like how I have remembered. Okay. See, for 90 and 270, x and y will interchange their values. Okay. X and y will interchange their values. So for 90 degree, this value becomes negative value of y, and for 270 degree value of x becomes negative. Okay. Now, if you want to remember it for the anti-clockwise rotation about origin, anti-clockwise, then this 270 will go for 90 degree, 180 will remain same, and this 90 degree for clockwise will go with 270 degree for anti-clockwise. Okay. So just remember this formula, then it will be easy for you. So now what's the question? Question is they are saying that it is rotated 90 degree clockwise. So for clockwise, what I told you, first you flip the values of x and y. I will write here j, that is 3, 1, k, 2 minus 1, and l 1, 2. Okay. So j dash will be change the values of x and y first and then change the sign of y. So that is it will be negative 3. So 1 negative 3. Okay. K dash or k prime will be change the values of x and y first and then change the sign of y. And then for L prime, change the value of x and y first and then change the sign of y. So 1 minus 3 do we have somewhere? 1 minus 3 here, then minus 1 minus 2 here, and 2 minus 1 here. So this is the correct option. Okay. Now use coordinate to describe the angle of rotation if the rotation is clockwise about origin. So here you have to write the coordinates. So see, what is the coordinate of E? E is, I will check only for one coordinate. Okay, no need to waste the time. E is value of x is minus 1 and value of y is minus 2. And what is the coordinate of E prime? E prime is coordinate of x is 2 and coordinate of y is minus 1. So what you can see here, First, they are interchanged. Yes, value of x and y are interchanged. So it means it cannot be 180 degree. It cannot be 180. It cannot be 360 because 360 means just a complete cycle. Okay. Now you can see they have interchanged and value of x is changing the sign. So value of x is changing the sign means it is 270 degree. This is the option. Okay. This answer is correct. Okay, to understand this topic in detail, please see that video of rotation. Okay, then you will understand it completely. Now use the coordinate to describe the angle of rotation if rotation is done clockwise about origin. Same type of question. I'll take any one point. What point we can take here? Let's take q. So q is equal to this is -2 and 2. Q prime is, this is +2, value of x is +2 and value of y is -2. Now you can see their sign is changed. Yes or no? Because their values are same, 2, 2, 2, 2. So we'll not understand anything from here. Let's change the coordinate. Okay, so that they have the different values. Let's take p now. So p is minus how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. -4 and value of y is 1 and p prime is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 and -1. So now you can see value of x and value of y, they are not changed. Here it is x, here it is x, 4, here it is 1, here it is 1. So if value of x and y are not changed, only just their sign is changed. Here it was negative, here it becomes positive. Here it was positive, here it becomes negative. So answer is 180 degree. Okay. Now let's talk about this question. Complete the function table for y is equal to 7x plus 2. What is the output? Output means y. When input means x is 4. So just write the value of x, that is 7 multiply 4 plus 2. 7 multiply 4, 28 plus 2 and 30. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Okay, you can complete the table for 2 also, just for practice only. Okay, now next is, which graph represents the function y is equal to minus x plus 3? Y is equal to minus x plus 3. Students, you can do these questions in many ways, but just a simple thing I am telling you with the parent function. You see, y is equal to minus x will look like this every time. It will pass from origin. Okay, this you just assume that this is passing from origin. Y is equal to minus x, but they say not only minus x, they say plus 3 also. Plus 3 also means this line will shift to 1, 2, 3 units up to y-axis. This one, like this, it will go to 3. Okay, so you can see only this line is passing from 3, so this is the correct answer. Or what else you can do? You can take the point and put it here. You see, this is written y is equal to minus x plus 3. So it means y-intercept is 3. So where line is cutting y-axis at 3? This also, and this. But this is not possible. Okay. Now why this is not possible? Because this is parallel to x-axis. It means it is single variable line. So maybe this and this confusion. Now if you take the point, this one, what is the coordinate of this point? 0, 3. And 0, 3, 0. Sorry, 3, 0 if you put it here. So value of y is 0. Value of x is 3. So minus 3 plus 3. So 0 is equal to 0. This is the correct option. Means this one is correct. Okay. You have various ways to find the answer. Now next is, big machines charges $12 per hour plus a base fee of $30 to rent golf cart. You see, there are two things in this question. One is golf cart, another is four-wheeler. The charge for renting a four-wheeler is shown in the table. How much more it costs to rent a four-wheeler for 10 hours than it does to rent a golf cart. Okay. See, we are dealing with 10 hours. So first they are saying 12 hours, 12 per hour. So 12 per hour means this, what shall I write here? Okay, I'm writing golf cart as GC. Okay. So it will charge how much? 12 per hour means $12 for 1 hour. So they are charging for 10 hours plus a base fee of $30. So how much it is? 12 times 10, 120 plus 30. Students, here they are not asking us to write the equation. Okay, that's what I'm not writing the equation. I'm just doing it directly. Okay, arithmetically. So 12 times 10, 120 plus 30 means 150. Now four wheeler, how much it is charging for 10 hours? You see, 10 hours will be just after this number, and every number is making plus 40 here. You see, plus 40, plus 40. So next number will also be plus 40. So 180 plus 40 will be 220. So four wheeler is charging 240. Sorry, 220. So how much more? So difference is 220 minus 150, that is $70. Okay, because they are asking for how much more. So after getting the answer, you will subtract it. Okay, you see, just to confuse you, they have given this option also, this option also. Okay, so don't be confused. Now next is wildlife hiking adventure charges $25 plus $8 per hour. So 25 is extra. I'll write here 25 extra and 8 per hour. So for a wildlife hiking, the fee of wilderness tour is represented in the graph. This is the another one, another company, wilderness tour is represented in the graph. So you see, this is here. So this cutting y-axis at 30. So it means they are charging 30 dirham extra, plus these are the points given. Now, how much more wildlife hiking adventure cost for 5 hours? Okay, let's try to find for this first. 5 hours, so 5 times 8, 40, 40 plus 25 is 65. Sorry, 25 I should write here first. 25 and then it will become 65. Okay, 65 for wildlife hiking adventure. Now for this wilderness tour, how much? For 5 hours, you see, 5 is here. So if you go up, you can do with the equation also, but I am doing with the graph. Okay, if you go up, it will come here. So how much money they are charging? They are charging $60. So $60 for another company. So how much is the difference? 65 minus 60 means $5. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, next is solve the system of equation by substitution. This you have to understand. Now this question, I'll tell you two methods. One you can do by the choice also, but it will be little long. Okay, you can just plug in the values of x and y and you check which option is correct. Otherwise, what general method is I'm doing? See, this is value of y, this is also the y. So just make them equal. So 3x minus 11 is equal to, here y will be equal to 6x minus 8. So 6x minus 8. Okay, just compare the values of y. Now you see 3x you will write with 6x, like terms together, and negative 8 will come this side, become positive 8. So what we are going to say here, positive 8 negative 11 is equal to 6x minus 3x. Why minus 3x? Because here it was plus 3x. Okay, now plus 8 minus 11 means minus 3 is equal to 6x minus 3x means 3x. So x is equal to negative 1. Do we have x is equal to negative 1 anywhere? Yes, we have. But there are two other options also. Infinite number of solution and no solution. So we'll have to check for y also. So just plug in the value of x here. So y is equal to 6 times minus 1 minus 8. That is minus 6 minus 8 means minus 14. So this option is correct. Now let's check for this same method. Okay, see here y is not written alone. So first you divide it by 4. Every term divide by 4. So it will become y is equal to 5x minus 2. And here also you see 5x minus 2. Both equations are same to same. So if both equations are same, then infinite number of solutions. Because if you will draw the graph, if you remember I told you, line will be overlapped line, or means one and another like this. Okay, so that will be called infinite number of solutions. Now next is solve the system of linear equations by elimination method. Elimination means that making the coefficients same. Okay, so you can see, you can make any coefficient same, maybe x or maybe y, it is up to you. So I am multiplying the first equation by 3. Okay, so it will be 3 times 2, 6x minus 3y is equal to 30. Then another equation same to same, 6x minus 7y is equal to 6. Now 6x and 6x are same, so they are of opposite, they are of same sign. So just subtract. And what we do in subtraction, sign of second equation will be changed. If it is positive, it will become negative. If it is negative, it will become positive. Okay. Now this is cancelled. Minus 3y plus 7y plus 4y is equal to 30 minus 6 is 24. So y is equal to 6. Now plug in the value of y in any equation. So it will be, I'm putting in the first one, okay. 2x minus 6 is equal to 10. So 2x is equal to 16 means x is equal to 8. So 8 and 6 are the correct answer. Okay. Now next is find the value of x. This I have told you in my part 1 video that if you have a triangle and if you plus all the angles of a triangle, then what should be the answer? X plus 80 plus 35. If you make all the angles of a triangle plus, then its answer should be 180 degree. So x plus 115 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 115. So it should be how much? 65? Just check the calculation, okay? 65 degree. Okay. Now, in triangle ABC, the measures of angle ABC respectively are in the ratio 1, 2, 3. This is very important question and very interesting also. Ratio is 1, 2, 3. See, with the choice, you can directly get the answer. Okay. 1, 2, 3 is the ratio means if you divide first angle by the second angle, if you divide second angle by the first angle, then answer should be 2. If you divide third angle by the first angle, then answer should be 3. So let's check. 20 divided by 2 is 2. This is okay. 30 divided by 10, it is 3. It is correct. It seems to be correct. Yes or no? But this answer is wrong. Why? Because A, B, C are the angles of the triangle. And if you are talking about the triangle, then if you make them plus all the angles, what should be the answer? 180 degree. So here you will understand two things, that their ratio should be like 1, 2, 3. And if you make all angles plus, then answer should be 180 degree. So let's check with the answer. If you will add them, 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 30, 60, only 60. So this is not possible. Okay. Now let's talk about this. 60 divided by 30 is 2. 90 divided by 30 is 3. This is very good. This condition is okay. Now 30 plus 60, 90. 90 plus 90, 180. Okay. So this option is correct. But if you divide 30 by 90, then it is not 2. So this is not correct. 70 by 30, this is not 2. So this is also not correct. But let's check with the general method. Maybe they will not give you the choice. It will be the free response question. So how you will do this question? I will tell you. See, just take every number as 1 multiply x, 2 multiply x means 2x, and 3 multiply x means 3x. Okay. So x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180. So x plus 2x, 3x, 3x plus 3x, 6x is equal to 180. So x will be equal to 30 degree. Now just plug in this value of x here, 30, 30, 30. So this angle will be 30. This angle will be 30 into 2, 60. This angle will be 30 into 3, 90. So this option is correct. Next is this one, a fishing line. Okay. A fishing line is 35 inches long, is hanging down from the tip of a fishing pole. The bottom of the line is to the base of the pole is 40 inch. This is 40 base. Means this, okay, this is the angle. This is the question of Pythagorean theorem, I guess. How long is the fishing pole? Okay. See, this is 35 inch. They have given you height, means A, and this is B. Okay. And they are asking about C or X. So according to Pythagorean theorem, what you will do here? It is A square plus B square means, because hypotenuse is missing. Okay. So for this, you can, for detailed Pythagorean theorem explanation, you can see my another video. This is 40 square plus 35 square. Just calculate it, you will get the answer. Okay. Now another one is, see, you can do this question by the estimation also, because here is a big difference. It is 75, this is 8, this is 53, this is 19. Okay. So we can talk about this. 1600 will be the square of 40, and then 35 square will be 9 times and 3 times 4, 12, 25. 12, 25 means plus 16 means 28, 25. So 28, 25 means, I think it seems to this one to be correct. Just you will check in the calculator, or if calculator is not allowed, then you can do with the manual calculation also. Just I'll check with my calculator and I will let you know whether this option is correct or not. Okay, so this is a square root of 2825. Yes, 53.15 is coming, so 53.2 is the correct answer. Okay, now see, by estimation without calculator I got the answer. Yes, now next is the diagonal of a square root tool is 17 inches. This is the diagonal, means C is given to you, big side is given to you, and the length of the square of the tool is 15. This can be taken as A. B is missing now, so here x will be square root of big side minus small side square. Okay, of course. So 17 square means I think 289 minus 225. So this is square root of 49. Square root of 49 means, I think, is it correct? 17 square is 289. So 9, this is not 49. 9 minus 5 is 4. And then 28 minus 5, 22 is 64. So square root of 64 is 8. This is correct answer. Okay. Hope you understand this, because this was the simple application of Pythagorean theorem. Now what they are doing here, Anna drove from a store to the restaurant when a coordinate grid is laid over the map. Coordinate means this is going to be the question of distance formula, I guess. The store is pointed at minus 5, 3 and another at 4 minus 2. How far? How far means distance formula you have to apply. So what is the distance formula? D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 square. Why I have written here plus? Because this is already negative, okay? Plus y2 minus y1 square. So this is square root of 5 plus 4, 9. 9 square is 81. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 square is 25. And this is square root of 51682 10. So it will be just more than 10, because it is more than 100. Okay, so this will be the correct option. See, estimation is very useful for us. Yes. Now this is what type of transformation is shown in the graph. Same type of question we got. See here, this S is coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units down, and 1, 2, 3 units left. Everything should be coming same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, 1, 2, 3 left. So this is the question of translation. Translation means shifting. Okay, so when you shift it, then it is called translation. Okay, now this is like the same question. Which statement describes the translation showing in the following graph? You see, E is here and E is here also, E prime. So check how much, left, right, down, up, down. Okay, this thing you have to see. So it is going left. So left means this is not possible. This is also not possible. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units left. So this is the answer. And 6 unit up, just to verify the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, like this you can count easily. Now write which of the coordinate represent 3 unit left and 5 units up. Left means you will make it minus. See, I will check only for one. Okay, 3 minus 4 and left 3 units. So 3 minus 3 and 5 unit up. Up means value of y will be plus. So this is 3 minus 3, 0, minus 4 plus 5, 1. So where is the answer? 0, 1, only in this choice, luckily. So we got this correct answer. Okay, but to make sure, you will check for F and G also. Okay, you can check it. Now the pre-image and image of ABCD are shown. Use coordinate notation to describe the translation. Okay, see what they are asking here. A is here and A prime is here. So where it is going? 1, 2, 3, 4 units left. Sorry, 4 units right. It means plus 4 for x, x plus 4, and up also it is going how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 units up. Up means value of y will be plus 5. So x plus 4 and y plus 5. This is the correct answer. Okay. Now what this one? The number of tree birds plant in the riparian zone is shown in the graph. Find and interpret the rate of change and the initial value. Initial value means where it is cutting the y-axis. So initial value is, students, you can see this is the free response question. Initial value is, what's that? 5. Initial value is 5, and then rate of change. Rate of change means slope, and slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 means 3. Okay. Then write the equation in the form of y equal to mx plus b. So y is equal to 3x plus b is 5. Okay. Now, next is, the table shows the number of lattes Dana prepares in a coffee shop. Assume a relationship between the two is linear. Find and interpret the rate of change and the initial value. Initial value means for 0. Okay. So you see, every number is increased by 4. So if you go up, then it will be decreased by 4. So for 2, it will be 17. For 1, it will be 13. And for 0, it will be 9. So initial value means b, which is 9. And then what is the rate of change? Yani slope. Slope will be 25 minus 21 over 4 minus 3. That is 4 over 1 means 4. So y is equal to 4x plus 9. Okay. Next is, Sally sews squares on a quilt. She sews 7 squares in 1 hour. This is rate of change. So this is 7. After 5 hours, this is x, 5. Sally has sewn 43 squares. So this is y is 43. Assume the relationship is linear. Find and interpret the rate of change and the initial value. So y is equal to ax plus b is the formula. Y is 43, a is 7, b is x is 35, b we can find. Oh, x is not 35, it is 5. So b is equal to 45 minus 35 means 10. So what's the answer? Y is equal to 7x plus 10. This will be the value. Okay. Next is, write and solve the system of equation that represent the situation. Sum of two numbers is 25, means a plus b is 25, and their difference is 7, means minus is 7. So just add them. So by adding, b will be cancelled out. You will get 2a is equal to 25 plus 7, 32. So a is equal to 16. A is equal to 16. So 16 plus b is equal to 25. So b is equal to 9. So these two numbers are 16 and 9. Okay. Kyra spends $28 on 4 ribbons and 5 balloons. You see, there are two things. 4 ribbon means two things are ribbon and balloons. Okay. So it is, I am taking it as x, this as y. So first equation will be 4x plus 5y is equal to 28. Sarah spent 28 on 8 ribbons means 8x and 3 balloons means 3y. Then what we have to do? We have to find the what is the cost of each ribbon. Okay. So we have to find x and y. So just multiply by 2 to make the coefficient same. So it will be 8x plus 10y is equal to 22. 28 multiplied by 2 is 56. So 8x plus 3y is equal to 28. Subtract them. Change the sign. It is cancelled. 10y minus 3y. 7y is equal to 56 minus 28. 28. So y is equal to 4. So cost of one balloon is 4. So plug in this value of y in any equation. So 4x plus 5 times 4 is equal to 28. I am putting it in the first equation. Okay. So 4x plus 20 is equal to 28. So 4x is equal to 8. X is equal to 2. So cost of one ribbon is 2 and cost of one balloon is 4. Now Stephen and John are reading the same book. Stephen reads 7 pages a day and is on page number 22. See, each day means y is equal to 7x plus 22 because 22 is the initial value. John reads 9 pages a day and is on page number 10. So 9 pages a day and is on page number 10. So how many days until Stephen and John are on the same page? So same page means value of y should be same. So make them equal. 7x plus 22 is equal to 9x plus 10. So 22 minus 10 is equal to 9x minus 7x means 2x is equal to 12, x is equal to 6. So just 6 days. Okay. And what page they will be on? So this is day. What page they will be on? So after 6, how many pages they will study? 7 minus 7 multiplies 6 plus 22, that is 42 plus 6, 22 means they will be on 64th page number. Okay. Now in the figure, a measurement of angle is 30. This is 30 degree. Measurement of angle 4 is 160 degree. Find 1 and 2. So you see, this complete angle is 180. Yes, this is called linear pair. So if this part is 160, so this part has to be 20 degree. So measurement of angle 1 is 20 degree. How? 180 minus 160. And then measurement of angle 3 will be what? Just you add these numbers. Okay, you see this is 20 and measurement of this only one angle, oh no, 2 also they want. Okay, so for 2 you see, add 2 and 3 and 1, so angle 2 will be equal to 180 minus 30 plus 20 means 180 minus 50 means 130 degree. Okay, this is for measurement of angle 2. In the figure, next question, in the figure, measurement of angle 2 is 95. This is 95. Measurement of angle 4 is 120. Same type of question is this. Angle 1 and angle 3. You see again, this is a linear pair, 180. So angle 3 will be equal to 180 minus 120 means 60 degree. And measurement of angle 1. Measurement of angle 1 will be 180 minus 95 plus 60 degree. So this is 180 minus 9 and 6, 15, 55. So this is 25 degree. This will be measurement of angle 1. Okay. My dear students, hope this lesson was little useful for you. If you have any problem, watch this video again and don't forget to watch part 1. Okay, and I am sure you will understand and your exam will be very, very good. Okay, if you think that this will increase your knowledge, then please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends also. Thank you.